Want a quick, healthy and delicious breakfast? Let's make creamy oats in just 5 minutes. For the ingredients, we'll be needing half a cup of oats, that's approximately 5 tablespoons, a cup of milk, which is optional, but for me I used 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, but if you don't have, you can as well use about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and finally a pinch of cinnamon, which is absolutely optional. In a saucepan, add 3 cups of water and let it boil on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding in your sugar. Now you can turn off your heat before adding in your 1 tablespoon of honey and a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. You can also top up with your favorite fruits, nuts, or seeds. And that's it, a warm, delicious oats porridge ready in minutes. So, do you love quick recipes? Well, you can hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your favorite porridge? Till next time, see you later. Bye.